Get him, Rambo. Get him. Don't let those birds near the property. Get him. Get him. Get him. It's kind of weird, man. This bird's been sitting right there for the last 4 days. I don't think that's normal. Oh, look, it moved. We had one hit. Oh, there's a few more of them up there. Look at that, they switched places. Go get him, go get him. There's 4 or 5 of them just sitting right there. One of them the other day, I don't know if you can see it, came and hit the window right here. Just BAM! I've heard a lot, some people were saying that the birds are losing their electronic compass. Oh my God, cat. Just hold still, Rambo. Hold still. Hold still. Now let's look at the birds through the cat cam. No, go ahead, go ahead. Just pretend it's not here, okay? It's method acting. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Well, do something. Emote. Make some noise. I don't know. Oh, look at that one. Oh. Got me spying on him. Weird, look at that one. It's just trippy. Well, get back in character, cat. Come on. I ain't paying you to sit there and act stupid. There you go. Good. Say something else.